know. I call you a while ago. Why you mama text the people and say, come now then if you don't have no money? Don't come fucking tell me for she nothing. Because I pick the behavior you do.
Yeah. Eh? Can we have a boy?
Let her family. Can you understand? You have to pick the boy.
See, you want to hear the basic.
Sorry, Steve.
What's up, AC gang? You don't know, say boy, Capo there and people from look left and look right at me alone there. You don't know, say a prank are going. So guys, the intro you do after the prank, you know, I tell you from now. So you are really happen people. Me and Abby ordered some crab from a guy, but he deliver crab to a yard. So I buy some crab from him, but you know, I dip on the road the whole day and she said, remember for draw the money for come and pay for the crab. Then when I come home to that, I say, yo, I never do it. So guys, that make Abby get really wicked. So people, I'm not lie, I'm not going to enjoy that one here. But before the video start, I beg you to smash the like button. That alone me I beg you to do that, guys. Make sure say, you leave a like on the video and subscribe to the page and turn on the notification bell. Yeah guys, follow up on Instagram down below. Yeah, and just make sure say you subscribe to Abby and Capo JA. Don't forget people. And go back to Abby's Madness and go subscribe. You get me? And subscribe to Capo's TV. Guys, we're not enjoy the prank. So you know, we're not going there right now. Yeah, go make video Abby. Aye! Yo, wait, what's wrong with you? Yeah, what do you know?
I'm going to take it right there, I'm saying.
What?
I pull out the ears and more, say with me.
Right. Okay.
I love my life. I don't know. What?
This is so not you. You look so white. And lighting. You can get the LA. And lighting there. What's the fish?
3-5. Even the morning, because people take so well, say my name.
3-5? You're talking about the machine never working, so the girl giving me a value. Okay, let's do the match and see if it much 2-2 that buy. That's me now?
Yo, the people that up on them wave for call it 3-5.
Yeah, but tell them. You have a product already? Did you get the thing already?
Couple of people end up on them wave.
Did you get the crab already?
Oh, them all give me the crab. When them up on the way, I bring the crab back home.
Let me tell you, I'm telling you, strange like. What is it? Much I post? 7 mils?
Half joking.
7 mils, 2,200.
Yeah, but the man so rich, yeah? The man is already there right so.
Oh, I don't know, right? 2,200 divided by 700. 3-4. I mean, I thought that apple tree, we could go to the machine.
So you have no money for you?
We have 2,200.
So why not tell me that? You remember text the man and say, can come now?
I mean, we're not here apple tree, we're going to tax you.
So why didn't you tell me?
A girl has money, I don't know if it's all about. You can't tell them to change the
Yeah, but the man I jump and down with the song, I wait for him to text him.
But text him now.
As soon as I come text him, I call him, I say, alright, enjoy the money. I'm text the man text. Right after I call, when I reach a gun spend, I ask you if you're somebody that I'm before me reply to the man.
Yo, we have extra funds for me, no? You take them by crab in November. Not crab, we take them by cane terrace. You buy 2 bags of cane money, no? And that 100 meter pay the fare, no? The only 2 left back alone now. I would have 700 left back. At least 6 days extra a day.
Careful, people. Then when I went to my car a while ago, Gansman, I said the man said if him can't come now, you tell me when you know you're not the full money.
No, because I never know said that's why I never the extra 3,500. That's why I tell him the man forward and say make up. But
what fuck are you talking about? You know the people that don't come out and then we haven't have the money?
John, stop. John,
we have enough. We can just tell him
my
3 pound crab can't do it. See that
do some fuck.
See that money stash off now.
Ever do some fuck.
Eh?
Papa don't talk to me. I never time people get load for you because you continue to fuck with.
So me
You confirm that's disrespect.
see the money I have now. You fly me out.
Call you a while ago, you tell me to tell the people them come now. Now the people them that find the way, you don't have the money. Let's say some fuck
Much money you much money you have differently? Much money you have differently? Much money you have differently? What that?
You can't fucking son of me out for what you forgot to carry me with. Not talk to me. Give me the money where you have. It's not deal with me.
I'm back with
I got some little fucking thing I do with a minute in it. Now what kind of kill this instance?
Good afternoon. Hello?
Why you give me the money? Now give me the money now.
What am I saying there? Much money fine? Much money fine?
Give me the money where you say you have. Give me the
Much
money
money
where you
fine?
say you have.
Much money fine? Hello?
What is that money?
Go on. What's that? Oh, the fire stick. No, I'm gonna check it out. No, they forget the shot. Anyway, I'm gonna do that. I'm going to now, yeah? I'm call you back shortly. So call him. Yeah. What's money now?
What is that money? You say I have 2,000 something.
I can't get it over there. Somebody. This is my best one. I can't get it. I have to put it on now for a person come feed later.
What? Bro, what are you talking about, man?
Oh, I come for the $1,000.
I have much money online. And I reach it out now.
Give me the $1,000. Give me the
Don't you probably have any? Hey, probably have any? Hey.
Captain, give me the $1,000 and stop with the fuck.
Don't you have any, Abby? Chief have any, right? What's the online now?
Keep it, I realize I fucking had.
Well, let's be nice.
Yeah.
Let's be nice.
I called you a while ago. Why you mama text the people and say, come now then if you don't have no money? Don't come fucking tell me for she nothing. Because I pick the behavior I do.
Yeah, but we have.
The people them I do business.
Yeah, we have.
Okay, have the people them I ride up and down
Let me tell you a story.
and not shit.
When I go to the adversary, I wait for one girl for 1 hour. And the girl tell me sorry, she in 15 minutes.
It doesn't matter. We not be like she. We not be like
So
she.
customer things there.
It doesn't matter. The people them I drive up and down. They come here already and them left. And
Yeah.
gas money come up there.
You shouldn't
So.
let them come in the first place.
I never tell them come up. Give me the
You said you
$1,000.
tell them when them come.
Give me the $1,000.
How many I say, Abby?
Give me the $1,000.
You know, 3,000.
Give me the $1,000.
Much money, Ann?
Give me the $1,000.
Much money?
I send you the money for buy the summer. Give it to me.
Tell them the money is bad. Much money, Ann? Let me ask you. Some question. $3,500. When you need money for it, you have to buy bread and egg. What buy bread and egg with this? Egg and bread money, say that about.
Oh, say get egg and bread money, so I'm to the money we're supposed to jar. The money we're supposed to jar was supposed to buy the egg and bread, so all of us end up with egg and bread
This money different.
Not making any sense? Don't think that making any sense.
Give me the $1,000.
We are going to do it.
Give me
You
the
have
$1,000.
3,500.
Here fucking kidney thing.
We are going to know. You're calling me now?
Come on, let go for me. I don't have time for your fuck. I want to deal with business and know my people I'm with.
You need what I do. What I do? What do you do?
Ah, you want to tell me fuck you keep up. I want to tell people disrespect you know. You come like say them just a disrespect you for disrespect sake. The people
Yeah.
that are deal with business.
Yeah, but then they
It doesn't matter. The people that reach early, it doesn't matter.
But they left though.
It doesn't matter.
They never there.
You call you a while ago, I'm say you have something. I say yes.
But me like
I'm
Ken.
text the people that
But
want
you
to say, alright,
love.
come
Ken, you love my boy.
come.
Look, Ken, you love. You know see that? Eh? Kid made up a boy.
Let her family. Can you understand? Yeah, they go pit the bus.
See what the kid did basically.
Sorry, Stephen.
Yeah, like kid, everything alright, you know.
People pit the baby.
So you don't want a kid? Everything good, man. Everything is fine here.
A few moments later.
Man, you move that cut on my face.
I'll be ready, so. You look at your artist rules up on piece of sticker sitting. Give me a cinnamon. Well, you have the money now, wait for same way, wait so. Obviously, you have the money.
Obviously, no, look, I know how we do them things there.
They get you to the hand. People see a reaction.
Man, you take care of my face.
People, and she get it a new hairstyle, I so she going to hype me to the truth. She do her own hair.
Why like what? You're capable of doing them things there. You ever fuck with people things.
With people things? Hey.
People them have a business.
We do business too, man.
So there's no way we can call you and ask you if you have the summer and you say yeah, and then when you come tell me fuck with me.
Yeah, badness. Your favorite idiot. Anyway, guys, if you want to get the hair done, link her. You see me, she do her own hair and thing, you know. So, guys, I just do a prank, quick and fast to get a reaction because a long time I don't post the video. So,
yo, you're not post me, so you know.
oh,
You're not post me.
when the head mad, you want to post you? Oh, I thought.
And you're just stepping at the house. You're just stepping at the house.
So,
So all you have to put
that work hard from me and go away.
keep your dog.
Hey, fool, no. Anyway, people, even though I'm going to do my outro, because I want to make sure I look good on camera when I do my outro, you know, guys. So, see your reaction there. Yeah, people, so here we are going on, man. Make sure to smash the like button there and play with the thing, then, guys. Smash the like button and help the channel grow. Because I know, say, if you leave a like button, if you leave a like, guys, that means, say, the video is likely to reach another person, you understand? So, just help the video by just leaving a like, yeah. But don't enjoy the prank. As I say, guys, while I go, I come here, I just think about it at the same time and just say, you know what? I just up and turn on the camera before she come back in the room and everything, you know. So guys, if you enjoy it, just share with a friend. And you know the thing already, make sure to subscribe to Abby and Capo Comedy TV, Abby's Madness and Capo's TV. And make sure to follow up on Instagram down below. Follow up on Instagram. Until then, your boy Capo is out.